Life-saving equipment on board ships is not just a collection of tools, it's a vital lifeline that ensures safety at sea. Understanding these essentials can make all the difference in an emergency. Let's dive into the key pieces of life-saving equipment that every maritime enthusiast should know about. First up, we have life jackets. These bright, buoyant vests are designed to keep you afloat in the water. They come in various types, including inflatable and inherently buoyant models. It's crucial to wear a life jacket that fits properly, as it can significantly increase your chances of survival if you end up in the water. Remember, they're not just for children. Adults need to wear them too, especially in rough seas. Next, let's talk about lifeboats. These are your primary means of evacuation in case of an emergency. Lifeboats are equipped with essential supplies, including food, water, and first aid kits. They're designed to be launched quickly and can hold a significant number of passengers. Familiarizing yourself with the location and operation of your ship's lifeboats is essential. In an emergency, every second counts. Another critical piece of equipment is the life raft. Unlike lifeboats, life rafts are inflatable and can be deployed quickly. They're often used when a ship is sinking or in distress. Life rafts are equipped with survival kits, signaling devices, and even water purification tablets. Knowing how to access and deploy a life raft can be a game changer in a dire situation. Don't forget about distress signals. Flares and emergency beacons are vital for alerting nearby vessels or rescue teams. Flares can be seen from miles away, while emergency beacons transmit your location to search and rescue operations. It's essential to know how to use these devices correctly, as they can mean the difference between life and death. Fire extinguishers are also a must-have on board. Ships are equipped with various types of extinguishers, each designed for different kinds of fires. Familiarize yourself with their locations and the correct usage for each type. In the event of a fire, quick action can prevent a small incident from escalating into a disaster. Lastly, let's not overlook first aid kits. A well-stocked first aid kit is crucial for treating injuries that may occur on board. It should include bandages, antiseptics, and other medical supplies. Knowing how to use these supplies can help stabilize an injured person until professional help arrives. In summary, life-saving equipment on board ships is essential for ensuring safety at sea. From life jackets and lifeboats to distress signals and first aid kits, each piece of equipment plays a critical role in emergency preparedness. Familiarizing yourself with this equipment not only enhances your safety, but also empowers you to assist others in times of need. Stay informed, stay safe, and always prioritize maritime safety.